Good evening, everybody. This video is created by Websoft Creation. Websoft Creation is a software development company based in Japan. We have uploaded more videos related to ASP.NET, PHP, Salesforce, Oracle, and many more. We have expertise on ASP.NET, PHP, Oracle, Salesforce, Ruby on Rails. In this video, we will learn that how we can upload and form on our PHP server. This video is completely related with PHP, and it's a very important task for everybody that if you want to transfer your client data to the server, we have to use form tag, right? Which method should be used to pass our data from client to server, we will learn over here. So let's begin with it, and let's take an example where I will take some data from the user and I will post that data to the server by using form tag. Form tag, the importance of form tag is that if you want to transfer some data from client to server, then we need a submit button. But it's not fulfill our all requirements, that if you have only submit button and you think that it will transfer data from client to server, you have to take that submit button in your form tag, because form will create an array and the data will transfer from this array, right? So let's start with an example. I am going to create an table. We have shortcut key Control Alt and T. It will create a table. This is my HTML table, and I will take some data from here, like username. To take data, I will take some input control. I have form tag, and in form tag I have text box, right? So I am going to give the name of my text box, that is txt_username. It is a reference name, and in my coding, in my PHP code, I will use this data by using this name. It works like an ID also, and there is no need to put any value, and okay, right? So first text box has been created. Now I will take another text box for password. This is my password tag. So you can take type password, because you don't want that password should be displayed on your text box, right? So I am taking here txt password. Okay, now I want that a select option should be there to take gender. Sorry, I will put here gender. I will take a drop down list control, for which I need select ID dd. This is my HTML control. Then option, in this option I will take male. This option will display male option. Then another option is female, value female. Right? As I told you that if I want to transfer some data from client to server, I need a form tag. I have this form tag. Then action, I want that data should display on another web page. So I will make this web page form1.php, and I can use two methods which are get and post. The meaning of get or post is that if you want to transfer data from client to server, as we know that whatever data is going to transfer, it will transfer by the URL, and it will display if you are using get method. But if you are using post method, then the transferring data will not display in your URL. So it's up to you that if you want that data should be displayed in URL, then you can use get, or otherwise you can use post. So the default method is post, and here I am taking get method to display some data. This is my opening tag and this is my closing tag, right? I am cutting this form tag, is a end tag, and I will take a submit button here, and my submit button, I need a row also, so take input type equal to submit, and the submit button I will upload, then value, sorry, I will take VTN and value is upload, sorry, is not a appropriate word for it. I will use submit button, right? If I click on submit button, then data will transfer from client to server. So I will take PHP tag over here. Sorry, first of all I want to execute this method or whatever work we have done. I want that it should be, oops, then I will take form, this is my page, and I am putting here websoft creation and password. I don't want that it should display over here, but you can see the final output that username will come in websoft creation and the test password is creation and button submit. It means it's showing that our data is transferring from forum 1 to forum1.php. So I want that data should display on your form1.php. That's why I have to make a web page, and this web page name would be form1.php, right? So I want that data should be displayed over here. We will see that how the data will display. So I can use a pre-tag. This is the HTML code to output should be displayed in a particular format. That's why I am using over here. And we have a single method, a PHP method, inbuilt method, printer, which is used to display your array value. So what kind of array I am going to use? This is get. As we know that we are transferring data by using the get method, that's why I am using here $_get. But if you are passing data by using forum post method, then you will use $_get. The meaning of this function or $_get and $_post is that data, you want that data should be transferred from client to server. So forum array, forum will create an array, that is a post array or get array. That array will store some data, form data, and transfer to the server. And echo, this is a closing of our HTML tag. So let's see the output. Again I am putting some data and I am taking gender is the female. If I click on this submit button and I reached on form1.php, and as you see that the output of our page is here. TXT username, websoft creation, and password. It means this is a associative array. In associative array, it is a key, and this is the value of that key. And this is password, and this is the value of password. Button is submit, right? So I want that data should be displayed over here. So you can write echo $_get and username, right? Sorry, our text box name is txt_username. If you want to embed HTML, you can use dot. It is a concatenation operator in PHP. Then echo $_get txt_password. It is my another text box ID. Okay, so let's see the output again. I put here the same password and gender is female, right? You see here creation. Txt username, copy and paste. Now refresh it and you will see the output. So this video is created by Websoft Creation for your use. We will upload more videos related to it, and you will see, and these are very valuable for all developers. Thank you for watching this video. We will upload